They are getting chicken jerky treat for the very first time. I think they are very enthralled with it. And somebody took theirs underneath the couch to protect themselves. That's Red Boy underneath there. And here we have a red girl, purple boy, and green boy. Pink must have taken hers to hide too. We'll go check her out. Oh yeah, she went into the corner on the yellow. Do you like that? Is it good? Yes. Yeah, that's good. Do you like that? Huh? Is it yum yum? Is that yum yum? Pink, you always take your prizes in the corner. Yeah, they like that. What you doing, red girl? Red girl. Are you chewing underneath there? Hmm? Red collar boy. He says, where'd you go, Mom? I want to see where you're at. Oh, there I am. See, I have my treat.